The objective for this lesson is to be able to find products of numbers multiplied by 10, including decimals to the thousandths place. Students will notice and use the pattern of moving digits to the left on a place value chart as they perform these operations. Maria earned $20 babysitting one night. Over the whole summer, she earned a total that was 10 times more than that. How much did Maria earn for the summer? We can see that Maria earned $20, which can be represented with 2 rods of place value blocks. But for the whole summer, she earned 10 times more than this. If we consider 10 times more than 1 rod, we would get a flat or 100. But this is 10 times more than 2 rods, so it would be equal to 2 flats or 200. Let's look at this work using a place value chart. In one night, Maria earned $20, which is the same as 2 tens and 0 ones. For the summer, she earned 10 times this amount. Since each place value to the left on the place value chart is 10 times greater than the one on the right, it is just like multiplying by 10 and moving into the hundreds with 2 hundreds instead of 2 tens. Let's try another. If a ticket to see a movie costs $8.75, then what will the cost be for 10 friends to see the movie together? $8.75 can be written into our place value chart as 8 ones, 7 tenths, and 5 hundredths. Remember that this is the price for one ticket, but we are going to pay 10 times more than that for 10 friends. So each place value to the left is 10 times larger than the last. When we move the digits to the left to show the multiplication, we can see that the new product becomes 87 and 5 tenths. So the decimal has seemingly changed positions, and where before we had hundredths, now that place is blank. So we can just add in a 0 as a placeholder for hundredths to show the movement to the left with no value left in that place. The amount for 10 friends then is $87.50. We can try one more example. If the distance between the cities of Denver and Aurora is 23 and 45 hundredths miles, and the distance between Denver and Grand Junction is 10 times greater than that, what is the distance between Denver and Grand Junction? Using the place value chart, we note that 23 and 45 hundredths miles has 2 tens, 3 ones, 4 tenths, and 5 hundredths. Each place value will be 10 times greater, sliding the whole number to the left so that 2 tens becomes 10 times greater, or 2 hundredths. 3 ones becomes 10 times greater, or 3 tens. The 4 tenths is multiplied by 10, and the product becomes 4 ones. And the 5 hundredths multiplied by a factor of 10 becomes 5 tenths. Our new product is 234 and 5 tenths. The objective for this lesson was for students to be able to find products of numbers multiplied by 10, including decimals. We were able to meet this objective by noting the pattern that each place value is 10 times larger as we shift to the left.